Good morning, I'm Ramin, owner of Quickest Computers, where we provide reliable IT solutions and managed services. Today, I want to highlight the I and the T behind what we do, information technology. So before we start, I have four words for you. Turn the volume up. In this presentation, we are going to take a look at the world of artificial intelligence, where it started, how it works, and why it matters. We will touch on key concepts, major breakthroughs, and challenges it faces, and importantly, practical ways for businesses to use AI. In this section, we will build a simple foundation for understanding AI. So let's go through a quick introduction. When I was working at NASA in an oculomotor research lab, we studied how the brain processes visual information, basically how to make sense of what we see. Take this image for example. Even though the cat is partially hidden behind the fence, we instantly recognize it because our brain fills in the missing details using context and experience. But for a computer, it is not that easy. It just sees pixels and patterns. It has to be trained to understand what's behind the fence. And that's really what AI is all about, teaching machines how to think, reason, and interpret the world like we do. AI comes in three types. What we have today is narrow AI, which is great at focused tasks like voice assistance and facial recognition. General AI, which is the holy grail of AIs, will think and learn like a human, but we're not there yet. Superhuman intelligence, that's the next frontier of AI, which will make the smartest person look like a decimal point compared to AI. Here in this chapter, we will take a quick look at AI's journey. AI story began in the 1950s. Early systems were rule-based, teaching computers how to think step by step, like solving puzzles. One of the first breakthroughs was when a computer learned how to play chess. That was the first spark in machine learning. Over the years, movies have shaped how we imagine artificial intelligence. These films reflect our fascinations and our fears, but mostly our fears. The internet changed everything. With massive amount of data, AI finally had the fuel it needed to grow. By 2006, Google wasn't just searching for keywords anymore. It was understanding what we mean. When we search for a red car, it was actually finding red cars. AI has advanced quickly thanks to deep learning and new NVIDIA chip designs rather than using the traditional CPUs. We see it in robotics, self-driving cars, and in healthcare. And with ChatGPT, Sam Altman had brought the AI to the public for the first time. Whether this is a good thing or a bad thing, we shall see. This section will explain the fundamental technologies powering AI and the role of data and training. AI learns a lot like children do. When kids play with the shape sorter, they try different pieces until they figure out which one fits. Each try teaches them something new. Same thing with AI. It learns by trial and error, testing patterns, correcting mistakes, and gradually getting smarter with experience. For my Generation X audience, think of AI like learning a game. It starts with random moves, then learns through trial and error, spotting patterns and building a strategy to predict and react. Over time, it gets smarter, maximizing results with less efforts and performs nearly perfect. AI now is all around us. It helps scientists discover new medicines, analyze genetics, detect fraud in banking, supports doctors with faster and more accurate diagnosis, and it helps cars make quick and safe decisions in real time. Like the dot-com boom, the housing crisis, and the cryptocurrency, AI is going through its own bubble right now. They label everything with AI and they have silly applications. But just like Amazon and Google came out of the dot-com era and real estate is still a good investment, AI will eventually stabilizes, leaving a few strong players. AI is often portrayed in extremes. Either it's a miracle solutions or a dangerous threat. The truth lies somewhere in between. To really understand AI, we need to look past the hype and focus on what it can actually do and where the real limitations are. AI is not perfect. It faces many challenges, things like bias in the data, decisions we can't fully explain, high energy, and tough ethical questions around privacy and job loss. AI drives real business results by boosting efficiency, improving decisions, and creating a competitive edge. Let's take a look. AI helps businesses make smarter, data-driven decisions by analyzing huge amount of information and predicting risks. At QuickFix Computers, we use diagnosis. We use AI to diagnose computers, detect network issues, virus issues, and even predict hard drive failures, cutting our repair time by 30%. It also improved how we handle purchasing, invoicing, and everyday decision making. At Neurofit, we use AI to analyze eye movements and train our system to accurately recognize the pupil, improving eye tracking precisions and delivering deeper insights into brain and neural health. My recommendation, if you have kids, keep them away from AI, but if you're old like me, then
Due respect, Mr. Costello. School is out.
I recommend to choose an AI tool based on your business needs, scalability, and compatibility with existing systems to ensure effective adoption. AI works best when it naturally fits into your daily operations and supported by staff training, integrations, and constant improvement. Please take ethical considerations. This includes transparency, fairness, and privacy protection, and addressing the bias, again the bias in the AI system, to build a trust and accountability. AI brings amazing opportunities, helping us innovate and work smarter. But it also comes with responsibility. The real goal here is balance, using what we've learned to make AI effective, ethical, and meaningful. Now I would like to share one of my favorite poems. You'll never meet the same person twice, not even in the same person. Now for the final slide, can you beat AI? From the clues in this presentation, can you guess what is my favorite movie?